This is the inside of LGBRF system multi B4. This is the master, slave 1, slave 2. In the master, we have control board, external PCB, noise filter, DC-DC converter, and this inside fan PCB. And the other side, this is a reactor, and the other side is inside was the inverter. And here there is compressor and so much protection, that valve, high pressure, low pressure switch, and high pressure sensor, and everything here is in the slave 1 is the same as the master. Here also in the slave 2, the same inside with the master. But we can find here, this is the slave 1 for the dip switch. Here this dip switch is number 6 is up, here is number 7 is up. Here's all. Thank you.